Miss Gia's class. Welcome to your Monday, May 18th math video. This is your first video for math today, and we are going to continue talking about shopping. Now, we talked about adding the prices to find the total, so using addition and adding different numbers, but now we are going to use subtraction. Why do we use subtraction? We use subtraction to find the change. What do I mean by the change when you go shopping? Well, let's say that you buy something and it's 5 pesos or 5 whatever. But in your pocket, you only have 10. Well, you have more money than the cost, so you give them 10, they need to give you money back. That money is called your change. So if you give more money than the total, you get money back, and that is your change. And to find out what your change is, we need to use subtraction. Let's get started with an example. Okay, so let's say Miss Gia is going shopping, and Miss Gia has, we'll say a 20p and 10p. And these are the only two things I have in my pocket. So I go shopping and I buy this lemon square, this cookie, and this other cookie. So first, let's figure out how much money I need to pay. How much money is the total? We have 1 plus 2 plus 3. What is 1 plus 2 plus 3? That's right, it is 6. So I need to pay 6p. But in my pocket, I don't have exactly 6p. I have 10 or I have 20. Uh-oh, what do I do? Okay, well, 6p is kind of close. 6 is close to 10, right? So I say, okay, I give you 10p. So I give you the 10p, but I only need to pay 6p. So we need to subtract what I need to pay. And what is 10 minus 6? I'm going to erase these p's so we don't get confused. Because the important thing is 10, the 10 that I give you, this one right here, minus the 6, which is the total for the 3 things I bought. What is 10 minus 6? Do you remember your 10 bonds? And your families? Yeah, that's right, it's 4. That means that you, at your store, need to give me 4p back. Those 4p are my change because I paid more than the total. Let's do another example, okay? So let's say, I'm going to erase all of this. Okay. Let's say that Miss Gia wants to buy this gingerbread man and this cookie sandwich, because I really, really love cookie sandwiches. So we're going to pay 12 plus 5. And what is 12 plus 5, everybody? We have a 5 and a 2 in the ones. So 5 plus 2 is 7. And then a 1 in the tens place. So 17 altogether. 17. Okay. So I could pay with 10, but that's not enough. Or I could pay with 20. Because 20 and 17 are close together, right? So I give you 20, and to find out how much money I need back, we need to take away or subtract the total of what Miss Gia had to pay. So friends, what is 20 minus 17? Do you remember your bonds to 20? Can we count backwards? Let's see, we have 20, 19, 18, 17. So it's 3. We need to take away 3 to get to 20. So this means that my change, you have to give me 3p back because I gave you more than the original. Okay? We're going to do one more example just to make sure everyone gets it. Going to erase all of this. All right. Cool. So let's see. I'm going to get this banana loaf and this little egg chocolate mix thing. So I have 4 plus 8. How much do I need to pay? What is my total? That's right, my total is 12. Okay, but I don't have exactly 12. So what can I do? I can use my 20p to pay. So we start with 20. That's what I'm giving you. And then the total price was 12. So how much change do you give me? How much change do you give me? 20 minus 12 is... Do you remember? It is 8. So you, as the person working in the store, need to give me 8p back. Okay? And that is my change. Because I do not have 12. In my pocket, I only have 10 and 20. But I need to pay 12. How do I do that? I can use the 20 because it is bigger than 12. And I can get change back. So now it's your turn. I am going to give you an order. Okay? And then you tell me how much money I get back. All right? And remember, I only have these two options. I can pay with 10 or I can pay with 20. So what am I going to get? I'm going to get this star cookie and this lemon square. So do the math. First, step 1. Add the star and the bar. Oh, that rhymes. The star and the bar to find out my total. Step 2. What do I pay with? So that I can get change. Step 3. Use subtraction to find out my change. Okay? Pause the video, do the math, and then come back and we'll check it together. All right, so step 1 was we have to add to find the total. So we need to add 15 plus 1. Oh, that's easy peasy. What's 15 plus 1? That's right, it's 16. Okay, step 2. Step 2 is to think, should Miss Gia pay with 10 or with 20? What do you think? Should I pay with 10? Because the total, remember, is 16. Should I pay with 10 or with 20? Well, if I pay with 10, I still don't have enough money. But if I pay with 20, it's okay because it's more than 16. So I pay with 20. We need to subtract the total and then find out what is my change. What do you give me? What do you think? Yeah, that's right. You give me 4p in return. So my change is 4p. All right, friends. If you're confused, it's okay. We will talk about this more in Zoom next week. So don't worry. If you have any questions, you can send me an email. You can ask me in Zoom. All right? But don't forget, we are going to keep practicing. So it's okay if you are saying, oh, I don't understand, Miss Gia. This is very difficult. Don't worry. We will practice together. All right? So I hope you had a great weekend. I'm really excited to see you tomorrow in Zoom. Bye!